Hey, it's day 11 of me drinking my favorite called Collagen right in front of you, and I give you a fun fact every day. Fun fact for today: did you know that the main hero behind our joint health is collagen type 2, and it's mainly found in cartilage? It works tirelessly to make sure that your joints are pain-free and they move smoothly. It's kind of like it works like a lubricant for a well-oiled machine. Yeah, that's it. Type 2 collagen for your joint health. So if when you're drinking this little guy, you know you're getting your type 2, and when you drink it, make sure you hold it in your mouth for 30 seconds or so for maximum absorption. I will see you tomorrow with another shot and another fun fact. Salud.